Introducing the future of home security, the BTG DIY alarm system, powered by Bolide Technology Group, transforming peace of mind into an easy, affordable reality. Our comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a sleek keypad, power supply, to wireless motion detectors, 3-door or window sensors, and a user-friendly manual. All designed and powered by Bolide Technology Group. Installation is a breeze. In no time, you're empowered with the most user-friendly, cost-effective security system on the market. Thanks to Bolide Technology Group's innovation, with our free smart app for iOS and Android, monitor and control your home from anywhere, at any time. Wi-Fi and 4G connectivity ensure you're always in the loop. Powered by Bolide Technology Group, staying connected has never been easier. Enhance your home's IQ with voice commands through Amazon Alexa and Google Home integration. Managing your security has never been more seamless, with the reliability of Bolide Technology Group behind every feature. With 99 alarm zones, up to 50 sensors, and instant app notifications, you'll customize and know every detail. Name zones, add sensors, and feel the security that comes with precision. All these innovations are brought to you by Bolide Technology Group. The BTG DIY alarm system, powered by Bolide Technology Group, protecting what matters most, with innovation, ease, and affordability. Because peace of mind should be accessible to everyone. Join the security revolution. Visit us at www.bolide.com to learn more. To BTG DIY alarm system, welcome to worrying-free security. Brought to you by Bolide Technology Group.